Shaffner here. Guys, I have a stitch fix, so I'm glad that you popped into my channel to see what I got. And it's another big box. My stylist sent another big box. What are the odds? Do you think that maybe I got another pair of shoes, maybe boots in this box? I would be excited to get shoes. I love shoes. But anyway, I'm so glad that you joined me to see what I got in my latest Stitch Fix. Guys, things have been dry with Stitch Fix. I did purchase this sweater. I know I told you guys I would be wearing this soon. It snowed in my little town this week, so I can wear sweaters now comfortably. The snow is all melted. It doesn't snow much in southern New Mexico, so it was a lot of fun. But anyway, I am looking for fall and winter and maybe some boots. I love boots, and I'm always excited to add a different, unique piece to my wardrobe, including shoes. I have a lot, so it's tough to get something that's different and unique. Let's see what my stylist sent. If you need more information about Stitch Fix, getting a Stitch Fix for yourself, all the information, everything I know, is in the description box below. And I have a link if you want to use it. That's cool. You get some credit, I get some credit. It's awesome. Thank you to everyone that has used my link. Enough talk. Let's break into this box and see what I got. Okay, this is what the inside of the box looks like. It looks like the bundle broke open, and I don't see the, okay, it's usually on top, but there is a note from my stylist here and an invoice because I have to pay for anything that I keep and a return mailer so I can mail back anything that doesn't work for me. Have a postcard here. Stitch Fix is doing something new. Instantly buy items from your curated shop. I need to check that out. It would be so interesting to see how they curate a shop for me. I'm assuming it's based on my past purchases, but truthfully, I don't want replicas of my past purchases. I want brand new, trendy styles. That's what I'm looking for. Now, I know that Stitch Fix uses an algorithm to determine what I would probably buy, but I've had enough of the repeats. Okay, on the top, I'm gonna put this on the floor. All right, here is the bundle, and you guys saw it was busted open. On the top, I like the colors on this. This is a really lightweight, loose knit cardigan sweater. This is almost like a springtime. It's in a baby pink. There's some brown and blues in it. Looks like an open front, yeah, and the brand on this one is Stitches and Stripes. Oh, it has pockets, which I love pockets. That's awesome. This one is French Connection. I love French Connection. This is a nice quality brand. Again, the pastels. It's a navy blue on top, and then it goes down to the pastels on the bottom. So I like that the darker color is on top because I'm so fair complected. The pastels don't normally look good on me. I like that one. Ooh, what is this? This is so soft. Really soft. This is River and Sky. And let me read the tag. Alle tie-dye tunic sweatshirt in burgundy. So this is what it looks like. That is nice. This feels like a really nice quality as well. And then we have some plaid. Okay, all right. I'm not mad about plaid. BB Dakota. Okay, I haven't tried any BB Dakota in a while. This is a brand that is carried by Nordstrom and other places as well. And I haven't purchased BB Dakota in a while, but this is really interesting. This is a, okay, an open front cardigan, I guess. I kind of like this. I don't know. What are you called? You are the London Plaid Open Drape Knit Jacket in burgundy. Let's see. Do we have pockets? That is really important to me. It does not have pockets. It does. Okay. That's only 4. Okay, next, there's a bag in here. This is the bag. And, okay, right off the bat, this is super lightweight. You can see it's, yeah, real pliable. It's faux leather. Does not feel like real leather. Does not look like real leather. In fact, I don't know. I don't know. It just doesn't seem like super good quality to me. I don't know. Let's look in the inside. Oh, this is Market and Spruce. Market and Spruce is a Stitch Fix brand. If you didn't know, Market and Spruce are two intersecting streets, I think, where the first Stitch Fix office, maybe it still is there on Market and Spruce. So, you know, even if the price was right on this, I have no need for this bag. I don't even know that I'll try it on because it is, but you know, I'll put it on my back so you can see what it might look like. But I mean, it goes really nice with the sweater I'm wearing, but I don't see any need for this. It's quite a big backpack, so it could carry a lot. I mean, I could put my iPad in this and probably a lot of other stuff, but okay, I'm going to try on the clothes, and you know what? There was no boots, and there's no jeans, so I really don't need jeans. My stylist did a good job in sending pieces that I might be able to add to my wardrobe. Hold on. I'm back, and everything has been tried on, and everything fits. I kind of like it all. The exception, the backpack. I just don't feel like the quality is there, but I might end up keeping the backpack if I keep everything. Okay, first look. Ooh, it's a pricey one. $406. $406 for 5 pieces. That's an average cost of $80, basically, right? $80 per piece? I don't know about that. The buy all discount is $101.50, which brings it down to $304 for 5 pieces. So that brings it down to about $60 per piece. And then I do have some credit, which would bring it down a little bit more if I kept everything. So let's go through each piece. The first piece is the BB Dakota London Plaid. What is it called? London Plaid open drape knit jacket in burgundy. I think this is adorable. I think it's really cute. It's season appropriate. I mean, I would wear this even past the holidays. All winter long, I like to wear plaid. It's a little bit lightweight, and it's $98. And I think my stylist even said something about being lightweight, which is perfect for New Mexico weather most of the time. But I don't know, $98 for a lightweight. Basically, it's a cardigan. They call it a jacket, but it has the weight of a cardigan. Let me know what you think about this one. I think it's adorable. I think the price is really high. I'm wondering if I could find something similar for less, a plaid cardigan for less. I think I could, but I like this one. It's here in my house. I also like that it's this like deep brick blood red. Is it blood red? You know, just a deep red color. So I think it's perfect for the upcoming season. I'm thinking about it. I just think it's high. But I mean, like I said, if I keep everything, it makes sense. Now this one, on the other hand, this one is it's called Stitches and Stripes. It is the Parsi lightweight cardigan, another lightweight cardigan. The plus on this one is it does have pockets. This one feels very springtime to me. I wore this, I tried it on with a long sleeve top, and it was a little bit tight in the arms. And, you know, frankly, I'm going to be wearing a long sleeve top with it because of the season. The cost on this cardigan is $68. I like this cardigan. It feels like a nice cardigan. I'm not familiar with this brand, but I like it. Again, I don't think I would wear this until the spring, so maybe not on that one. The next top that I tried on is the French Connection. This is a brand I really enjoy. The clothing always holds up. What do you guys think about this? What is it? I can't even remember the name of these pastel colors. They don't look that good on me, but when you put the navy on the top, but I don't know, does the navy match the rest? I'm really uncertain about this sweater. I like the fit of it. I like the feel of it. I do like the brand. This sweater is $78. That's par for the course for this brand. I don't mind spending $78 on this sweater because I think it's one, you guys, I'm getting a lot of striped sweaters. I don't know if I need any more, but I do like this sweater a lot. And the next piece, the tie-dye sweatshirt. You have to give me your honest feelings about this one. Number one, it feels amazing. It's almost like a French terry. but it's not terry on the inside. It's like a cotton fabric on the outside and super soft, like jammy fabric on the inside. Really cozy. I like that about it. I don't know. I mean, I can take or leave the tie-dye trend. I'm not really into that, but I love the way this one feels. This is the River and Sky Alle tie-dye tunic sweatshirt. It's $104. $104. That's crazy. This is, the River and Sky is an online boutique. They are expensive. I've never tried them before. I'm glad I tried it this time. This feels absolutely amazing. I love this sweatshirt, and it is perfect for my life currently. You know, I'm staying at home, working from home, and this would be perfect. This would look great with leggings. This would look super with skinny jeans, with boots. I mean, I don't know. It's crazy expensive though, isn't it? Let me know what you think about this one. I would really like to add this one to my wardrobe. It is my favorite piece in this entire box. So I can't wait to hear what you think about it. And then the last piece, I did end up trying the bag on because that's what I do here. I try on the items, and because I was able to easily put it back together. I'm not real interested in this bag. I mean, it's a nice fall color. I appreciate that. It matches what I'm wearing. It matches the River and Sky sweatshirt perfectly. It's adjustable. The straps are adjustable, but it didn't feel very secure on my back. But of course, you'd have to adjust the bag to fit you. This one is $58. It's the Market and Spruce Stuart backpack, and the only way I will keep this is if I keep everything. And I will probably include this bag in a giveaway if I keep everything. Guys, could this would be a 4 for $5, but the buy all discount is over $100. So I like the 4 pieces. The lightweight cardigan would not be worn until springtime. I am really trying to avoid buying clothes that I will not be able to wear until the future. I'm going to break down this Stitch Fix math for us. The Market and Spruce bag, $58. The Stitches and Stripes cardigan, $68. Both of those could go back to Stitch Fix, and I would not miss them at all. And the pieces I like, the BB Dakota London plaid, they call it a jacket. I call this a cardigan, a lightweight, great for the current season. I like this one, $98. The French Connection, this sweater, let me know what you think about these colors. This sweater is $78. I like the feel of it. I like this sweater. And the one that I love, the River and Sky tie-dye tunic sweatshirt, extra comfy, $104. The total of these 3 pieces that I would like to keep is $280. For $304, I can have it all. So what is that? $24. I can keep the backpack, and I can keep the sweater that I think I would probably not wear until spring. So I could really use your help, your thoughts and opinions on this fix. It was a great fix. I think my stylist did a fabulous job of sending some more unique pieces. These do not feel like, well, I don't know. She did actually reference the top that I'm wearing, and she said she knows I like stripes, but I don't know how many stripes I need, and certainly not in these pastel colors. I like the darker colors. So let me know what you think. I can't wait to hear your thoughts on this fix. Let me know how your fixes are going. I hope they're improving. Guys, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I can't wait to chat with you in the comments below, guys. We'll see you next time. Blessings.